Hi, it's Ken Okel. Let me give you a quick tip about your background. Here, I'm illustrating something that I don't like. I am right up against a wall. This is common for a lot of people. They're setting up quick, they just want a background, they use the wall. Here's the problem. It just doesn't look very good. Behind me, you can kind of see a little bit of a shadow. There's no depth. When you look at the TV, watch the news, you always see there's a little bit of depth that is between the anchors and the back of the set. That depth is your friend and will make your video look that much more professional. Let's face it, when you're up against a wall like this, two groups have really popularized that style. Let's go through them. The first, terrorists. When they deliver their demands, usually it's against a very neutral background. They don't want people knowing where they are. The other people who are shown in this way, hostages. Again, people just want a generic background. So think about this. If you're delivering your videos, if you're doing a webinar or something, make sure that you're not just up against a background because it looks really awkward. Can you move the camera back a little bit, making sure that you add some depth to your video? We don't need more hostages. I'm Ken Okel. Take care.